It's interesting how bees go about their business completely unnoticed. Commercial beekeepers always try and hide them because it's money. Regular beekeepers hide them. These days, you just don't want kids playing with it. But the interesting thing is all of these tens of thousands of bees go back and forth without anybody noticing them do their thing. So I guess in some ways, beekeepers are like bees in that they hide their little hives right underneath your nose so you don't notice it. So that one's totally capped off and ready to go. Still got some nectar. Weighs a bunch. Basswood, it's really good. As far as urban beekeeping goes, one, it's awareness of the importance of pollinators, and two, it's protection of pollinators from monoculture agriculture. In the city, we have more diversity and more abundance of a varied diet for pollinators.